Today I want to just run through our heat lamp demo. So what I'm going to do is I've got a BTU meter and I'm going to make this read 100%. So let me turn it on, hit the percentage, and now it reads 100%. I'm going to take a single pane piece of glass, which a lot of folks still have, and when I hold that up to the light, you can see it still lets in 75% of the heat. Now, a lot of people have just a dual pane with no LowE, no argon, nothing. So when I hold this up to the lamp, or to the BTU meter, this still lets in 61% of the heat. 61% of the heat's coming through. And just for fun, this is a triple glass, just clear, triple clear. And when I hold this up to the lamp, it still lets in 50% of the light. So let's push these aside for a second. This is our northern LowE. So when I hold that up to the lamp, we still have our percentage of 100% coming through. I'm going to hold that up to the lamp, and look what happens. It blocks the heat. There's only 10% coming through, so 90% of the heat is getting blocked by this northern LowE. Now, because different regions have different types of LowE, again, this is a northern LowE. Here's a southern LowE. When I hold this up to the lamp, look what happens to the BTU meters. It drops it almost down to nothing. 2% of the heat is coming through. So this southern LowE is designed specifically for those southern regions that gets the high heat in the summertime, in the fall, in the early spring. This is the type of glass that we recommend in the southern regions. That northern LowE, as the name would imply, is for the northern regions. And then just for good measure, this is a triple glass with LowE, because sometimes people ask us about, do we have triple glass? And of course we do. And when I hold this up to the lamp, look what happens. It blocks it 2-3%, just like that southern LowE. Now, one thing I like to show people when I'm doing the demo is when I take that triple glass clear, the double glass clear, and a single pane. So we've got what, 3, 4, 5, 6 panes of glass. When I hold that up to the heat lamp demo, it's still letting in 25-26% of the heat. So that's how the technology of glass has come so far, is one, having a different type of LowE glass designed for the specific region you're in. And then again, the northern LowE, that's going to let more passive heat in during the wintertime, which is what we want when we're in those northern climates. The southern LowE, that is going to block the heat most of the year. And again, that's what we want because it's hotter during those summer months. So that's our heat lamp demo.